Good morning, I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about uniformly spaced array with non-uniform excitation. Uniformly spaced array with non-uniform excitation amplitude. On completion, students will be able to define n-element array, design procedure of n-element array. N-element array, non-uniform amplitude, uniform spacing. Uniform amplitude, high side lobe. Two popular distribution, binomial and T-Chebyshev equiripple. Half power beamwidth will be uniform for T-Chebyshev binomial distribution. So the side lobe level, there is more number of lobes. So in order to reduce this lobes binomial distribution, that is T-Chebyshev technique with uniform methods are used. A non-uniform amplitude array of even and odd number of elements. So if you take even number, you will take the value of constant. Odd number, you will take both linear array as well as non-linear array. T-Chebyshev polynomial of order of n equal to 0 to pi and its value of z ranges from -1 to +1. So based upon this, you will consider both polynomial with respect to both the axes. T-Chebyshev of polynomial are n equal to 9. So when you apply the formula and when you use this equation, the value will be varied. Depend upon the variation, we can check the values. Broadside array when beta equal to 0, T-Chebyshev design procedure. Specify number of element 2m or 2m plus 1. Side lobe should be in dB. Find the amplitude coefficient and spacing. Design synthesis procedure. Calculated side lobe voltage ratio. Calculated P. P is the number of element which is -1, n minus 1. Calculate Z0. Cos h 1 by P cos inverse of R value. So total value can be easily communicated by this one. So to find the amplitude coefficient, even number, if n equal to 2m, m equal to n by 2 and an is equal to summation q equal to n to m minus 1 the whole power n minus 2 Z0 2q minus 1. Q plus m minus 1 2m minus 1 q minus n factorial q plus n minus 1 factorial m minus q. For an odd number n equal to 2m plus 1 m equal to n minus 1 by 2. So an is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power m q minus 1 z0 zq minus 1. So q plus m minus 2 factorial into 2m divided by q minus 1 factorial q plus n minus 2 m minus q plus 1, where n is equal to 1 to m minus 1. So sigma n equal to 1 and sigma n equal to 2. Select spacing d so that d is less than or equal to lambda by pi cos inverse of -1. If you want all the minor lobe to be in the same level, the number of minor lobe necessity to complete for a 3D pattern on either side of maximum minimum using the maximum permissible space n minus 1. The order of the T-Chebyshev polynomial is n minus 1. Array factor of a pattern of 10 element broadside Chebyshev array. So if you see the pattern, so it is a broadside array because it is horizontal to the axis. So he will have the array factor. The array factor can be determined with a different value in terms of sign value, and we can compute with uniform excitation, and to obtain we can use both non-uniform excitation. So here the major question is, what is the array factor, what is a broadside array, what is the end fair array, and how we are using this both polynomial, that is binomial polynomial and Chebyshev polynomial, in order to compute the value. So if you are going to compute the values using those here, we can use for binomial, we can use Pascal triangle to compute the values in the side lobe, or how far we are going to reduce the side lobe. Thank you.